All right, good. Tell you this man not easy at all, man. Jesus Christ, wow. What the hell is wrong with it?
Well, hello there, handsome.
I have to go back on the road, eh?
Honey, where are you going again?
I have a party meeting.
But it's our anniversary. You just got home.
I know, but you know the party come first, man.
You know this is damn foolishness. How can you be out working for the people when the little job that I have in the bedroom is not being done? You know, Mr. Jones, if you continue like this, you may find yourself becoming the Minister of Agriculture in your party, but the opposition spokesman of mining in this party.
Tell me, I don't want you forgetting that marrying me was the best damn thing that ever happened to you.
You know, you're so damn cocky.
Cocky is right.
So what would you want?